Short, and in this video I will be talking about web designing and web development. So what are the common questions that are asked about web development and web designing? That what is web designing, why should we learn it, how should we learn it, and are there any jobs opportunities, is degree required, what are the software, are they paid or free, and what is the salary that is given to a web developer or web designer. So starting that, what is web designing? The art or a skill of designing a web page or a website is called web designing. And it is done by learning some markup languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, etc. So a common question asked that why should we learn web development? Uh, so we will have to say that websites, people want websites. Websites are very crucial in our now in 2021 and forward and people should want to show their social presence by their website through their websites. And if someone want to have a large audience or to become famous or their or some for some business, they should have their website. So the demand of web development and web designing is very much in today's. The next question is that how can you learn web designing? So if you want to learn web designing, you should start from some markup languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript that are essential for making a website. Start from HTML, then learn CSS, and then JavaScript, because HTML shows the content, CSS presents the content, and the JavaScript shows that how your website will act when someone clicks on your website. The next question is that what softwares are required. So there is no special software for coding. You can start it from your notepad in your PC, but it is suggested that you should use some special coding software like Visual Studio. It's free and is available on the internet on their own website. That from where you will learn web designing. So the simple answer is that you can learn from YouTube, but the YouTube courses on YouTube are not so professional, and it would be some difficult and time taking to learn from YouTube. You can learn it from Udemy uh, or Skillshare, but they are paid courses. So if you want to learn graphic designing, you should have pay for the courses, or you can go to some colleges for if you want it as your whole career. Some colleges and universities offer their courses in and diplomas in web designing. So the next question is that whether the skill or certificate or degree is required for web designing. So yeah, I think if you want web designing to be your whole part full-time career, so you should have a diploma or a degree, because companies are hiring, but companies like Google and Apple and Microsoft are not hiring because dependent upon degree. They are hiring upon skills. So you should have a strong portfolio if you want a, good company to hire you. So the next question is what salary will be required to what is the salary that you offered by the company. So it depends upon you that whether you are a freelancer or you will do a job. If you are a freelancer, then you will pay it per project for almost $200 to $1,000 per project, if you depending upon the client you get. And if you have a fixed salary or you work in a company, depend upon the client, the company you get, and their offer. So this is all about web designing. And if you want to watch my other videos, go into my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please press the bell icon and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.